first.
April 22nd. I'm Gary Libator. Meteorologist Eric Gage is in for Hannah this morning and joins us to help us plan our Friday ahead. And how are we looking so far?
Well, first off, happy Earth Day, and it's happy Friday as well. And also looking at some cloudy skies this morning, moving into more sunny skies afternoon, highs in the 50s. So It's looking like a nice Friday afternoon. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar right now. Seeing some clouds across some areas right now. Let's look at our satellite. Just some light clouds currently across the region. Right now it's 46 degrees. It's already way warmer compared to yesterday morning. It is going to be a little bit breezy today, 14-mile-per-hour winds. Across central New York right now, once again, cloudy skies. Expect some patchy fog in some areas as well as some light sprinkles. Cloudy start today, sunshine in the afternoon. We're also tracking a very warm weekend ahead. Temperatures possibly reaching the 70s heading into Sunday and Monday. Today, though, looking at temperatures rising into the 50s and a full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. We have more information to...
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning. A mild start to the day. Temperatures in the mid-40s right now. However, looking at temperatures rising into the 50s by the afternoon and clear skies looking ahead. Take a look at our Cavey Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Right now, it is still dark right now. We're still expecting some cloudy skies across the region heading into early this morning. So take a look right now at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Dry conditions right now, some few isolated sprinkles in some areas. We did see some heavy rainfall down in the south here. That did move across the Mohawk Valley earlier this morning. You probably heard some heavy rainfall. Right now, though, cloudy skies across the region. Temperatures in the mid to upper 40s will continue to rise throughout the day into the 50s. Around the clock and what you can expect today, temperatures start out in the 40s, rise into the 50s by the afternoon. It will be a little bit breezy though, so make sure you wear a jacket. Temperatures or the wind speeds between 12 to 15 miles per hour in most areas. Around the clock though, for overall what you feel, temperatures will feel like starting out in the 30s, rising into the 50s by the afternoon. In overall weather grades, starting out cloudy and sunny skies in the afternoon, temperatures in the 50s. The bigger picture, we have a high pressure system to the west moving over our area today, bringing that clear skies. However, we are tracking some rainfall heading into tomorrow for the start of the weekend. Looking close ahead at our skycast right now, the North Country still seeing some clouds starting around the mid-morning. We're also expecting some patchy fog across the area as temperatures remain in the 40s to start out. Those clouds clear out by the afternoon heading into around 4 o'clock as well. Temperatures start out in the 50s with clear skies. And those clear skies will last throughout the night. Temperatures will plummet into the 30s. Once again, those clear skies causing those cooler temperatures. And then clouds move in starting Saturday morning as we expect some rainfall to move in through the area heading into Saturday evening as well. And some patchy rain heading into that day as well. And then Saturday night going into Monday or Sunday morning, starting out with some rain as well. Temperatures rising into the 60s and even the 70s heading into Monday. Weekend planner overall, the weekend is looking very warm. Temperatures in the upper 50s in the Mohawk Valley, still in the upper 50s in the southern valleys as well. And so into Sundays, temperatures starting out in the 50s, rising into the 70s, expecting that temperature to remain heading into Monday. Today, a high of 57, partly cloudy. It will be breezy tonight, a low of 32, clear skies. Tomorrow, a high of 59, mostly cloudy with some passing showers. Most of the showers will be throughout the night heading into Sunday. 7-day forecast, breezy today, temperatures in the upper 50s to start out, and then going into Saturday and Sunday, rising into the 60s and then 70s heading into Monday. So overall, temperatures start rising once again and then falling on Tuesday. So we're having
a bit of a roller coaster.
Yeah, just a roller coaster of weather.
Eric, thanks. A large stainless...
Good morning to Rome and all of the greater Utica region. Starting out, if you were expecting to clean up some debris, especially some trees and branches from the storm we got throughout earlier this week, today is looking nice. However, tomorrow, some scattered rain showers may make it a little bit difficult. However, heading into Sunday, it's looking like a beautiful day to finish your cleanup. Wind gusts for the next couple of days. So overall, it's going to be windy this morning. Wind gusts mainly in the Mohawk Valley, cooling or calming into the afternoon, heading into Friday as well. And then looking to remain calm heading into Saturday afternoon. Calm winds across the area, and our wind outlook for the next couple of days It's looking breezy today, calm on Saturday, and then winds are going to be picking up once again on Sunday and Monday. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. Listen up, you big band lovers. Good morning. It is Friday, April 22nd. I'm Gary Libitor, meteorologist. Eric Gage is in for Hannah this morning. And Eric, we are starting out not too bad, and things only looking up from here, right?
Yes, that's right. We're starting out cloudy. Temperatures a little bit mild in the 40s. It's going to continue rising into the 50s today, and the weekend ahead is looking very warm in the 60s, even the 70s. Yeah. So some much bigger difference compared to earlier the week. So
yeah. You know how to bring smiles to people's faces out there.
Yeah. Let's take a look at our York Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Right now, things are looking quiet across the region. We did expect some earlier rain this morning. We're also seeing some patchy fog in some areas as well as some mostly cloudy skies across the region. Right now it's 46 degrees. Winds are continuing to calm throughout the rest of the day. However, it will still be gusty 14-mile-per-hour winds. And across central New York right now, cloudy skies looking to clear this afternoon. Cloudy start today once again. Sunshine in the afternoon, continuing to a clear night heading into tonight. And once again, a warm weekend is forecast ahead. Today, though, a high of 54 degrees. Winds will be calming throughout the rest of the day, and I have your full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. A panel of 5
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning. Looking ahead towards a mild day today. Temperatures starting out in the 40s, rising into the 50s after a cloudy start. Sunny skies looking ahead. Take a look at our Cabby Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Starting to see some daylight right now. However, it is still overcast across most regions right now. As you take a look at our York Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Dry conditions now. The light sprinkles early in the morning are looking to move out of the area. We're still expecting mostly cloudy skies lasting throughout the morning. As well as right now, temperatures across the region still in the 40s, down in Binghamton as well, and almost near 50 out in Albany. Around the clock, what you can expect today, starting out with temperatures starting in the 40s, rising into the 50s by the afternoon. However, wind speeds will be stronger in the morning and then weakening throughout the rest of the day. It still will be a very breezy day today, especially in the Mohawk Valley. So temperatures will feel a little bit cooler compared to what they expect starting in the 30s, what it feels like, and then rising into the 50s for the afternoons. But overall weather grades starting out cloudy, sunny skies in the afternoon and going into the evening as well. Looking ahead towards a clear night. The bigger picture right now, we have a high pressure system from the west moving into our area right now. That's going to be bringing the widespread clear skies for the next couple of hours heading into today and tonight. Tomorrow, we're expecting that rain band out from the west moving into our area, bringing that rainfall. And this is what we're going to expect for the next couple of days in greater detail. Starting out today, temperatures rising into the 50s. Going into the afternoon, after the cloudy skies, the possibility of some patchy fog in some areas, some low-level clouds. Clear skies make way for a clear night. Temperatures plummeting into the 30s, below freezing in some areas heading in the North Country. And starting out tomorrow in the early morning, some cloudy skies make way for some rain heading into the afternoon. 5 o'clock, expect some brief rain showers. However, the early morning is expected to be cloudy and dry. Expect some patchy rain in the afternoon once again, and then heavier rainfall in the early morning heading into Sunday. Sunday, though, is looking dry in some areas. A warm front moving in from the south, bringing temperatures, especially if this moves further north, into the 70s. Right now, it's currently going to be expecting high 60s and low 70s in the Utica region. However, the 70s could move further north. And once again, what to expect this weekend. Starting out on Saturday, temperatures in the 50s, the upper 50s heading into Saturday as well in the Mohawk Valley, and 70s across most areas heading into Sunday. Looking ahead, a very warm weekend. Today, though, a high 57, partly cloudy. It will remain breezy. Heading into tonight, winds will be calming, a low of 32, a little bit chilly. And then tomorrow, a high of 59, mostly cloudy in the morning, passing showers in the afternoon. In our 7-day forecast, once again, heading into the 60s and 70s for the weekend. Looking ahead towards a very warm weekend. And then temperatures will start plummeting back down into the 40s. The possibility of snow is still not out of the question yet, and it's already almost May.
Come on.
I know.
That's crazy. All right, Eric, thanks. After a 2-year hiatus because of the pandemic.
Welcome back. Let's take a look at some local high temperatures for today, starting out in the North Country. Looking at 49 in Inlet, looking at 49 in Atwell in Ohio with 53, and heading into Norway with 54 degrees. Heading to the Mohawk Valley, temperatures a little bit warmer in the mid-50s. Utica with 55, Herkimer with 54, and Little Falls once again with 55 degrees. These temperatures could be a little bit warmer heading today with those sunny skies. So I expect that temperature to rise into 57 for Utica. And across the southern valleys, temperatures still in the lower 50s across most areas, still reaching the mid-50s heading into the south, especially Gilbertsville and Oneonta. Now, what to expect for your weekend ahead. Once again, temperatures starting out in the 60s, rising into the 70s in some areas heading into Sunday. So a very warm weekend. However, the warm weather is short-lived, as we expect the temperature trend for this week after Monday to head down in a little bit more below normal temperatures heading into the rest of the week. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. The Firefighters Association, April 22nd. I'm Gary Libitor. Meteorologist Eric Gage is in for Hannah this morning, and Eric joins us on this Friday morning with some good news ahead. I know today's not too bad, but the weekend is looking gorgeous, right?
Yes, that's right. There's some isolated rain showers, I should say, going for Saturday, but then temperatures rise into the 70s heading into Sunday. It's looking like a very warm weekend ahead after a pretty eventful week for weather this week, so I think we all deserve a break in the weather.
That's for sure. A lot of folks probably planning their golf outing for Sunday already.
Oh, yes, that's right. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Right now, dry conditions across the area. We saw some sprinkles earlier today. However, things are looking dry right now. We're still tracking some low-level clouds across the area and some patchy fog for your morning commute. Should keep an eye on that. Temperatures in the mid-40s right now, 43 degrees. It is still a little breezy, 15-mile-per-hour winds right now in Rome. Skies are clearing, though. It was a little bit cloudy earlier today. It's clearing out now. Still the southern valleys and north country seeing some clouds. Cloudy start today. Sunshine returns in the afternoon, and we're expecting a warm weekend ahead. Looking at a cool down later on this week. Also today, temperatures rising into the 50s, and have your full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. We have more information to pass.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning. We're looking at temperatures rising from the 40s into the 50s this afternoon with some sunny skies after a cloudy morning. The possibility of some patchy fog. Let's take a look at our Cabby Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Sunrise is upon us. Looking at some overcast skies right now. Some patchy areas of sunny skies moving into our area. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Looking at dry conditions across the state right now, we had some sprinkles earlier in the morning with some patchy fog once again. And it's looking to clear out by the morning heading into earlier today. Skywatch temperatures 44 in Clinton, 41 in New Hartford. We still have Skywatchers setting in temperatures without power, 4 days without power. So once again, thank you to you guys for continuing to send in information. 42 in Edmondson and 37 in Milford. Around the clock, we can expect today starting out in the 40s, rising into the 50s by the afternoon. However, temperatures will feel a little bit cooler as we have some wind speeds nearing 10 to 15 miles per hour across the day. A very gusty day today. So temperatures will feel like the 30s and then rise into the 50s by the afternoon. It will feel a little bit warmer with those sunny skies. Overall, cloudiest skies to start the day, and then those skies will clear out by the afternoon heading into the evening. The bigger picture, high pressure system to the west, bringing some clear skies throughout the day today. And we're tracking rain tomorrow. This is a system that's coming in from the west, bringing that rainfall heading into the next couple of days. This is what to expect heading into the weekend. So starting out today, temperatures in the 40s, rising into the 50s after some brief areas of low-level clouds and fog. It's looking to clear out by the afternoon. Temperatures in the 50s, clear skies, sunny, and then clear night tonight. Temperatures will plummet below freezing in some areas, especially in the North Country, 31 in Inlet and then 32 in Utica. Temperatures will rise again tomorrow, once again into the upper 50s, even the possibility of 60s. Cloudy skies start out the day, and then rainfall across most areas lasting in the evening, and then some brief showers lasting into the night. And then early morning Sunday, some brief showers once again, and then after that, clear skies on Sunday. The possibility of some slight sprinkles in the southern valleys, but a warm front is bringing temperatures into the mid-70s. If this moves further north, we can expect temperatures in the Mohawk Valley to reach the 70s as well, as you can see in Boonville with 70 degrees. So overall, your weekend planner starting out on Saturday in the North Country is still living in the 50s, but overall in the 60s in some areas as well. And then on Sunday, temperatures starting out in the 40s, rising into the 70s in some areas as well. Today, a high of 57, partly cloudy. It will be breezy heading into tonight, a low of 32, calm winds. It's looking clear. Tomorrow, a high of 59, mostly cloudy with some passing showers in the evening. Let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. After some brief showers on Saturday, Sunday is looking warm, 69. It could reach the mid-70s in some areas as well. And then on Monday, once again, some brief showers, temperatures in the 70s, and we're looking to cool down heading into the week. Temperatures falling into the 40s by Wednesday.
Eric, thanks. I'm joined now by...
We're saying good morning to Rome and all of the greater Utica region. A quick recap on what we saw for snowfall April 19th. Once again, this was a record-setting snowfall for Utica. The previous record was 4.3 inches. This was set back in 1983. We recorded 7 inches of total snowfall over the event. But the bigger story is this was the second highest snowfall in April history in the area of Utica, with close to a foot of snow set back in 1979. So this was a historic event for snowfall. If you're planning on cleaning up the yard from the debris from your trees and everything from the snowfall, Friday today is looking nice. Tomorrow, some passing showers, a little bit iffy. Probably in the morning is the best option to do that. And Sunday is looking warm, and it is looking very nice. Temperatures in the 70s in most areas. But starting later on this week, the temperatures will continue to fall, heading into the 40s by later on next week. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. The Glenn Miller trip, Friday, April 22nd. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Eric Gage, in for Hannah this morning. And Eric, boy, you picked a good day to fill in because you're going to bring a lot of smiles to folks' faces out there with the weekend forecast.
Yes, that's right. We're starting out today going into the 50s, sunny skies, some passing rain on Saturday, but still warming up into the 60s and possibly hitting the 70s on Sunday as well as Monday. So
wow,
a warm stretch ahead after a huge difference compared to earlier this week.
Yeah.
So take a look at our York Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler right now. Dry conditions across the state of New York right now. We're seeing clearing clouds. We're still seeing some clouds in the North Country as well as the southern valleys right now. Mohawk Valley is clearing. We're seeing some peaks of sunshine right now. Temperature is 43 degrees. Winds are still a little bit gusty this morning if you're heading out. Skies are looking to be clearing throughout the rest of this morning. Still cloudy in the southern valleys once again. We're expecting temperatures to rise, already in the mid-40s right now. After a cloudy start today, sunshine in the afternoon will continue on into tonight. And once again, we are expecting that warm weekend ahead. Temperatures reaching 70 degrees heading into Sunday. Today, though, a high of 54 degrees, and I have your full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. A panel of 5 mid-level New York
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning, happy Earth Day, and happy Friday. We're tracking warm temperatures lasting tonight, going into tomorrow, and even Sunday. The rest of the weekend is looking very warm. Temperatures reaching the possibility of 70 degrees heading into Sunday. Let's take a look at our Cavey Tower camera overlooking Smith Hill right now. Some sunny skies. The clouds are moving out of the area right now. We're seeing some peaks of sunshine across most areas as well. Still cloudy in the North Country and southern valleys. Let's take a look at York Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Dry conditions across the state right now. Clear skies on the way, and it's looking to remain that way heading into the rest of the day and heading into tonight as well. Very clear conditions for tonight. Skywatcher temperatures sent in 44 in Clinton, 41 in New Hartford across southern valleys right now. 42 in Edmiston, 37 in Milford, and once again, thank you for the Skywatchers who are still sending in temperatures, even though a lot of them have lost power for almost 4 days now. Around the clock, what to expect today. Temperatures start out in the 40s, rise into the 50s for the afternoon. However, gusty winds throughout the day today, looking at wind speeds starting out a little bit stronger in the morning and then weakening later on in the evening. So temperatures will feel a little bit chillier heading into the 30s by the morning and then the 50s by the afternoon. So overall weather grades for today, though, besides being a little bit breezy, starting out cloudy and then looking to remain sunny throughout the rest of the night. Why is it remaining sunny? Well, we have a high pressure system moving in from the west, bringing clear skies, looking to move very slowly across our area. So we can expect clear skies, at least for the majority of the day today and including tonight. While tracking this storm system out to the west is going to bring in some rainfall heading into tomorrow for Wednesday, a little bit later on in the evening, so we're not going to expect that at least for the morning. In detail, what to expect the next couple of days. Temperatures start out in the 40s today, rise into the 50s. Some brief periods of clouds, but overall sunny skies for the afternoon, highs in the 50s. Looking to cool down with those clear skies into below freezing temperatures in some areas, especially in Inlet and Boonville, especially in the North Country. Most areas seeing near freezing as well. And then starting Saturday morning, cloudy skies make way for some rain heading into the area for the rest of the evening for tomorrow. Highs in the 50s, and then temperatures cool as we expect additional rainfall going into Saturday night and early Sunday morning. Sunday is looking clear with temperatures in the 60s, 70s in some areas as well as looking for that warm front down in the south. So overall, your weekend planner starting out in the 50s, upper 50s in most areas heading into Saturday with some passing rain showers, but Sunday is the better of the 2 days for temperatures starting in the 70s for the rest of the day. Today, though, a high 57, partly cloudy. It will be breezy tonight. A low of 32. It will be a little bit chilly with clear skies tomorrow. A high of 57, mostly cloudy with some passing showers later on in the evening. Our Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. This weekend is looking warm. Highs near 60 and 70 heading into Saturday and Sunday. And after Monday, temperatures continue to fall, going into the 50s and then 40s heading into Wednesday. Over to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. I'm joined once again by Dan Williams to talk about the long-awaited return.
Morning and welcome back. Just a quick update on what to expect throughout the day heading into today. Starting out, temperatures in the 40s, cloudy skies across some areas as well. Skies looking to clear into the 50s heading into the afternoon. A little bit breezy throughout the day. Heading into tonight, though, temperatures are looking to fall into the 30s. However, we're expecting some clear skies across some areas. A foggy start possibly heading into tomorrow. And a quick recap of our 7-day forecast. Once again, breezy tomorrow today, highs in the 50s, highs in the 50s tomorrow as well, nearing 60 degrees, and going into the 70s for Sunday and Monday. And after that, a cool stretch of weather heading into the rest of the week. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. The Firefighters Association of the state is 7 a.m. It's Friday, April 22nd. I'm Gary Libitor. Meteorologist Eric Gage in for Hannah this morning. And Eric is in to bring you some smiles because this weekend is supposed to be really nice.
Yes, that's right. Temperatures starting out in the upper 50s for today, going into the upper 50s once again for Saturday, possibly the 60s, and then 70s going into Sunday and Monday. So a warm weekend ahead, some passing rain showers heading into Saturday, but overall a nice weekend ahead.
We will definitely take that for sure.
Let's take a look at our bus stop forecast. If you're heading out to the bus stop this morning, make sure to bring a light jacket. Starting out in the 40s, as you're heading home, temperatures rise into the upper 50s. Today overall, some passing clouds in the morning, heading into mostly sunny skies throughout the afternoon and tonight. After breezy conditions, winds look to calm as temperatures will plummet down into the 30s, going near freezing. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. We have more information to
come back. Let's take a look at some high temperatures for today. Starting in the North Country, temperatures in the upper 40s for the highs, especially Eagle Bay with 49, Inlet with 49. Going into the Mohawk Valley, temperatures will rise into the 50s for highs. 55 in Utica could rise a little bit higher with sunny skies. Our high currently is around 57 degrees. And across the southern valleys, temperatures still remaining in the 50s for today. So a overall mild day for today. And if you're looking to clean up after the snowstorm we got earlier this week, today is looking like a nice day to do it with some sunny skies. Tomorrow, some passing rain showers in the evening, making that a little bit more difficult. However, Sunday is looking nice and sunny to continue that cleanup. But overall, temperature trends for the rest of this week are looking to cool heading into Tuesday. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. A panel of 5.
Good morning and welcome back. We're continuing to follow some rainfall heading into tomorrow. Just some light patchy rainfall, but overall today is looking sunny and highs in the 50s. Take a look at your Oakville battery. Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar right now. Things are looking dry. A cloudy start earlier today is clearing out. We're still seeing some clouds in the North Country and southern valleys right now. Temperature is 41 degrees. Winds are still continuing to calm. However, we do expect winds to continue to remain between 10 and 15 miles per hour, at least for the start of the day. And across the state right now, skies are clearing. We still have clouds in the North Country right now. However, skies in southern valleys are continuing to clear, and they'll be lasting throughout the morning. Sunshine in the afternoon, and we're tracking a warm weekend ahead after some brief showers on Saturday. Some sunny skies heading in to Sunday. Today, though, a high of 54 degrees. And have your full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. All you lovers.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning, happy Friday, and happy Earth Day. Today is looking like a nice day ahead after some cloudy start to this morning. Temperatures are rising into the 50s with clear skies ahead. Let's take a look at our Cavity Tower camera overlooking the sunrise over on Smith Hill right now. Skies are clearing after an overcast morning this morning. Let's take a look right now at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry and quiet right now. We saw some light sprinkles early this morning, some heavy rainfall that moved across the Mohawk Valley. Overall, things are looking dry now. Skywatch temperatures remaining in the 40s, 44 in Clinton, 41 in New Hartford, Cooperstown with 42, Edmondson with 42, and Milford down with 37 degrees, a little bit chilly down in southern valleys. Around the clock, we can expect today's temperatures start out in the 40s, rise into the 50s. However, it will be breezy with wind speeds stronger in the morning, weakening throughout the day. It will feel a little bit more chilly in the morning. In the afternoon, temperatures will remain in the low 50s for what it will feel like, at least for the wind speed for today. Around the clock, though, cloudy start to this morning. Still some clouds in the North Country and southern valleys, but overall, by the afternoon, it's looking to remain entirely clear for all areas. Radar and satellite, the bigger picture right now, a high pressure system. This is why we're getting those clear skies moving across our area. It's slow moving. It will last into today and early tonight, even into tomorrow morning. Expect some clouds to move in later on. We're also tracking out in the west, some rain moving into our area. This is where and when to expect it for this weekend ahead. Temperatures start out in the 40s, rise in the 50s. Some brief areas of clouds in this morning, rising into the 50s by the afternoon. Clear skies. Temperatures will start plummeting into the 30s, near freezing, below freezing in the North Country. We expect some clouds to move in for Saturday morning. Temperatures rising into the 50s for the afternoon. We expect some brief rain showers. The morning is looking dry. We expect some brief rain showers in the afternoon, and then once again in the evening, going into tonight as well. And then Sunday morning, once again, we're looking at some brief showers. And then Sunday is looking dry. Some brief possibility of sprinkles. Temperatures in the 70s. This warm front moves further north. Expect some much more warmer temperatures in the Mohawk Valley. And once again, our overall forecast for the weekend, 50s on Saturday and looking at the 60s to 70s heading into Sunday. Today, high 57, partly cloudy and breezy. Looking into tonight, a low of 32, clear skies. Tomorrow, high 59, mostly cloudy, passing showers in our 7-day forecast. Looking ahead, colder temperatures looking ahead on Tuesday and Wednesday.
Today, here is meteorologist Eric Gage in for Hannah. And Eric, some sun around the region. Nice to hear.
Okay, so right now temperatures are starting out to warm into the 50s. Looking at temperatures rising throughout the day. Cloudy skies right now. It's 48 degrees currently. Across the state, it is still in the mid-40s, rising into the 50s. However, clouds are clearing today. We're expecting a sunny afternoon. We're also expecting a warm weekend ahead. Temperatures rising possibly into the 70s. Today, though, a high of 57, and we have your full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. Now to a newly released audio that's the talk of
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good afternoon, happy Friday, and happy Earth Day. Things are looking clear and sunny heading into the afternoon today after a cloudy start. Let's take a look at our Mirabito camera overlooking Oneonta. Some clouds are still in the sky. Over it will be clearing throughout the rest of the day. To take a look across central New York right now to see the current snowmelt situation. Looking at snowfall still, the snowmelt still possible in the lower elevations right now. We're still seeing some snow in higher elevations. However, looking to expect to see that will kind of melt away heading into the next couple of days. Live look at Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry right now. We're still seeing some clouds across the region, but once again, it's looking to clear heading into this afternoon. Skywatch temperatures 41 in Old Forge, in the 40s now, 51 down in Otsego, Cooperstown with 48, and Mohawk with 49. The bigger picture right now, we have a high pressure system bringing clear skies into today, and that's going to be lasting throughout the day heading into tonight. You expect rain from the west moving into our area heading into tomorrow. So what to expect for the next couple of days? Starting out, temperatures rising into the 50s today, clear skies. However, temperatures will fall into the 30s heading into tonight, near freezing. And then tomorrow morning, some clouds move in, followed by some rain showers. It's looking to be in the afternoon, so the morning is looking dry if you're expecting to clean up some debris from the storm earlier this week. Saturday night is looking rainy once again. We're bringing some rainfall in early Sunday morning, and then Sunday is looking clear and it's looking warm. Temperatures in the 70s might rise into the 70s in the Mohawk Valley depending on how far north this warm front to the south moves. The southern valleys might see a brief shower. So if you're wondering about the flood outlook, we're keeping an eye on creeks and rivers right now. So far, there is a very low chance of any sort of flooding right now, even when there's still snow on the ground in the north country as well in higher elevations. We're still keeping an eye on that throughout the rest of the week, but once again, there is no immediate worry. Today, a high 57, partly cloudy. It will be breezy today. Wind speeds between 10 and 15 miles per hour tonight. A low of 32. It's going to be near freezing across most areas of central New York. Tomorrow, a high of 59, mostly cloudy, and then passing showers in the afternoon. Let's take a look at our 7-day forecast starting on Friday. Today is looking breezy. It's looking closer to the 60s, and Saturday is going to be reaching the 60s in some areas as well. Sunday warming up into the possibility of 70s, especially in the southern valleys, and that warm temperature ends heading into Tuesday and Wednesday. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. With so much confusion, Eric Gage in for Hannah.
Good afternoon. We're still looking at warmer temperatures throughout the day today, starting out in the 40s, rising into the 50s. Let's take a quick look at our temperatures for the next couple of days heading into Friday and the weekend. Right now it's 48 degrees. It's still a little gusty out there, 12-mile-per-hour winds, clouds still in the area. It's looking to clear out throughout the day. Today's high temperatures in the North Country. Expect temperatures in the upper 40s for your high, heading into the Mohawk Valley. Highs for the day in the mid to upper 50s in some areas, especially in lower elevations. And across the southern valleys, the same story in the low to mid 50s in some areas as well, down in Oneonta and Gilbertsville with 53 degrees. Your weekend forecast starting out in the 50s, going into upper 50s by Saturday, and then even reaching the possibility of 70s, especially in the southern valleys heading into Sunday. But unfortunately, this warm weather is not expected to last long as temperatures will continue to fall later on this week. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. This is 2022 now.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good afternoon. Skies are clearing and temperatures are warming heading into today, and going into the weekend, temperatures will continue to rise, reaching the 70s heading into Sunday and Monday. Let's take a look at our Mirabito camera overlooking Oneonta. Right now we're seeing some clouds still starting to weaken heading into the day today, as we expect the clear skies to move in. As we take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, dry conditions across the state. And as we take a look through satellite, once again, some sporadic clouds, especially more in the North Country right now, and they're looking to clear throughout the rest of the day. Skywatcher temperatures sent in for noon today. Gray with 45 degrees, Clinton with 48 degrees, Otsego already in the 50s, and Cooperstown with 48, Mohawk with 49 degrees. It's already starting to warm up already. The bigger picture right now, clear skies heading into the day today. High pressure system moving into our area. It's going to bring the clear skies, bringing higher temperatures with an overall sunny day today. However, looking out to the west, this is a system that's going into our area tomorrow, bringing some rainfall. Let's take a look in detail heading to the next couple of days on what to expect. After today, right now, some clouds moving out of our area heading into the afternoon, highs in the 50s. And after that, temperatures will fall near freezing in most areas heading into tonight. Clear skies. Then clouds move in tomorrow heading into Saturday morning, and then looking at a dry morning. If you have anything planned in the Saturday morning, should be all set. However, in the afternoon, that's when we're expecting some rain. Highs in the 50s. It will be a mild day. However, some areas can possibly see highs near 60 degrees. Saturday night, it's looking rainy and it's looking cloudy going into Sunday morning. Once again, some brief showers and then clear skies heading into Sunday afternoon. A warm front moving north. The possibility of some rain in the southern valleys is possible. Temperatures in the 70s, possibly reaching the 70s in the Mohawk Valley. If you're those without power, if you know someone without power, here's a quick rundown of local temperatures tonight, as some areas will fall below freezing, especially in the Mohawk Valley. Some temperatures are falling below freezing or near freezing. And once again, here are the temperatures across the southern valleys heading into tonight. And once again, we're keeping an eye on flood outlook for the next couple of days. The next 7 days are still looking very low. We're keeping an eye on rivers and streams right now, but overall, nothing is looking to be have any danger. Tonight, a high 57, partly cloudy. It will be breezy heading into today. Tonight, a low of 32 degrees. It will be clear. Winds calming. Tomorrow, a high of 59 degrees. Mostly cloudy and then passing showers in the PM hours. Looking ahead to our 7-day forecast. Once again, breezy conditions today. Highs in the 60s and 70s for Sunday and Monday. A very warm weekend ahead. After Monday, though, temperatures will continue to fall by Tuesday into the 50s, and then Wednesday down to the 40s, and snow is still not out of the forecast just yet. Back to you, Gary.
Hard to believe, hard to believe. Well, the firefighters...
Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis getting us ready for our weekend.
Yeah, finally getting some warmer weather. Temperatures are going to climb into the 50s tomorrow and then close to 70 on Sunday, so we're going to enjoy that. We have not had a lot of warm weather here over the past 3 weekends. In fact, the last 3 Sundays in a row have snowed, but this Sunday is not looking to be the case. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It is looking quiet across the area. It turned out to be a really nice day. Temperatures in the upper 50s, sunshine, your typical spring day. And we have a west-northwest wind at around 14 miles an hour. If you're looking to clean up after the storm earlier this week, looks like your best bet's going to be Sunday, although Saturday and Monday really don't look too bad either, especially if you get an earlier start. Just a few light rain showers expected both days later in the day. Some patchy frost is expected tonight as temperatures drop into the low 30s, increasing clouds Saturday, and we are looking at generally warm weather as we head into Sunday. This evening, mostly clear skies. Temperatures will be in the 50s. We will cool off pretty quickly as we head into tonight. Again, we'll fall to near freezing in most spots. Tracking a pretty nice weekend, but then the weather changes again as we head into next week. Look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Lewis County Sheriff and
York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Happy Friday. We are getting ready for a warmer weekend here in central New York. The last 3 weekends have been very chilly, but this one is going to be different. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Cabby Tower Cam. We've had a beautiful, beautiful spring day. I know the spring season is very short. We usually get a very quick transition, but enjoy days like today. It's very comfortable outside. It will be pretty chilly tonight. We'll drop below freezing in some places. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking pretty quiet across the area. We do have a meteor shower that continues tonight. Viewing will be a lot better tonight than last night. It's technically past peak, but it's still worth your time. It's the Lyrid meteor showers. You're going to want to look to the north and east after sunset. Not the most active meteor shower of the year, but again, a couple of shooting stars could be seen in the sky tonight, and viewing should be really good for that. Passing showers possible Saturday. Temperatures are in the 50s. I do have a new development for Sunday. It is looking like the warm air is taking its sweet time getting here, so it's still warm Sunday, but instead of being in the 70s, it's now more likely going to be in the 60s across most of central New York. So I just want to point that out. And again, unfortunately, some changes taking place there. As we look at our local temperatures, Lowville 55 degrees, Whitesboro 55, Little Falls 59. Across Southern Valleys, 55 in Norwich, Sherburne 58, and Hamilton checking in with 54 degrees. Great weather to go out and go for a walk with the dog or dogs. Temperatures will be in the 50s this evening. We have Caesar and Ace as tonight's featured dogs. And if you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. This is brought to you by Staffworks. The bigger picture shows a warm front moving in from the west. There's a lot of activity with it now over Chicago, but it's going to lose a lot of steam as it moves in from the west. We may see a passing shower from that as we head into late Saturday. Mostly clear tonight. Patchy frost. Overnight lows drop down into the 30s. Saturday starts out sunny, but then the clouds quickly arrive. It's overcast for the afternoon and evening. Again, some scattered showers are also possible later in the day. Temperatures will be in the 50s. That warm front stalls, so on Sunday morning, we could see a very brief shower early, and instead of getting into the 70s, it's more likely we'll be in the 60s for most of the day. However, just a few miles to the west, that is where the warm air is going to be. In fact, look at Syracuse, potentially near 80. So we'll continue to keep an eye on that, but again, the current trends favor the cooler weather as opposed to the warmth, but hey, it's at least within driving distance if you really want it. Clear skies tonight down to 32. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies, a passing shower, temperatures in the mid-50s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Again, the weather looks sunny on Sunday, temperatures in the 60s. We are into the low 70s Monday, and then the weather cools down. And yes, don't adjust your television. Snow is back for Wednesday, at least snow showers. Not like what we dealt with recently, but it is going to get chilly again. And coming up in a few minutes, we're talking about the pollen and how that's going to be changing.
Snow and pollen in the same forecast.
That's right.
All right, Bill, thank you.
Now to a new chapter, meteorologist Bill Cardis. You got to hang out with some pretty cool kids today.
Yeah, and happy Earth Day, by the way.
Oh, yeah.
What a better way to do this than to go out and talk to the kids about the atmosphere and the Earth. And you can see a couple of them wearing some crowns. These say I heart Earth on them. So this is the Howland Patton kindergarten class at General William Floyd Elementary School. The whole class, I think there are like 4 classes combined here. And again, just a shout out to the teachers setting that up. And we had a great time looking at and chatting about weather today. Let's take a look at the allergy report. High numbers of pollen in the air over the next couple of days. I have no good news here. As the weather gets warm, we're going to see high activity. Ash, juniper, poplar, the 3 most common causes for allergies, in addition to many other things, but those are the 3 most common. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking quiet. It is sunny. It is a great evening to get out and enjoy. Temperatures will be in the 50s. We're looking at a generally pleasant weekend. Look at that weekend forecast that's coming out. Kristen, back to you.
A Herkimer County traffic alert.
York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening and welcome back. We are tracking some warmer weather as we head into the weekend. The last several weekends, the last 3 in a row, have been chilly, and we've had snow on 3 Sundays in a row. This is going to be the time we're finally going to break that streak. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Cappy Tower Cam. This turned out to be a beautiful day. It's been on the cooler side, at least early in the day, but the sunshine has been really helping to make things feel warm. And most of the snow has melted. We still have some pockets, especially in the higher elevations. And as we continue to see warmer temperatures, that will continue to go away. So you look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, all is quiet across the region. With clear skies tonight, it will cool off pretty quickly. We're expecting overnight lows to drop down into the low 30s. We've had some windy weather lately, but I am happy to say that this weekend will not be windy. We're looking at generally light winds both Saturday as well as Sunday. The breeze is back for Monday and Tuesday, but nothing really strong compared to what we were seeing over the past several weeks. Sky watchers, 55 in Schuyler. We've got Barneveld with 55 degrees, Old Forge 49. And a happy birthday to Gail in West Leiden, checking in with 53 degrees. Norway, Donna with 56. Newport, Jason 59. Mark and Milford 49 degrees. Christopher in Edmonston 52. The radar and satellite image shows pretty quiet weather, high pressure in control. We are tracking a warm front to the west. A lot of activity with this. Chicago seeing some pretty heavy rain. This will weaken as it heads east, but we still see some clouds and a few showers here late Saturday from that. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight. Mostly clear skies. Overnight lows drop down into the low 30s. Sunshine early Saturday, but watch how the clouds swallow up the sun as we head into the afternoon. This is in advance of that warm front. A few scattered showers are possible later in the day, too. Temperatures will be in the 50s. Heading into tomorrow night, some scattered light rain showers. These continue into very early Sunday. Sunday, there has been a noticeable change in the forecast. We've been tracking this warm front that now looks likely to stall right over our area. Take a look at the numbers here. You go from 55 degrees in Speculator to 80 in Syracuse. We're going to be right in between this. So I think 60s in the Mohawk Valley. It's going to be noticeably warmer going to the west. That warm air will eventually get here, but again, it is going to likely stall here as we head into Sunday. So again, this is a look at the temperature map for Sunday afternoon. 70s southwest of Utica, 60s in the Mohawk Valley, 50s in the Adirondacks. And again, that does work its way eastward by Monday. Tonight, clear down to 32 degrees. Tomorrow, sunshine giving way to clouds, temperatures in the mid-50s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Again, we're in the 60s on Sunday, 70s Monday with some late-day rain showers. Cooler weather Tuesday with rain and even some snow showers return Wednesday. Temperatures in the 40s for the middle of next week. Coming up at 6 o'clock, we're taking a look at the forecast if you're doing some spring cleaning over the next few days. We'll be right back.
Meteorologist Bill Cardis, who's tracking from the Weather Center.
Yeah, we're tracking some warmer weather as we head into the weekend. The last 3 weekends in a row have been really chilly, but we are going to turn the corner this weekend. Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It is looking completely dry in our area. We've got plenty of sunshine. Temperatures are in the mid-50s, so it is nice and comfortable, seasonably warm. A west-northwest breeze at 13 miles an hour. If you're using this weekend to get out and do some cleanup, especially after that storm we had earlier in the week, if you still have some cleaning up to do, it looks like the weekend will generally cooperate. Sunday better than Saturday. Just a few late day showers here for Saturday, and then some late rain returns as we head into late Monday. Patchy frost tonight. It does cool off pretty quickly. We're looking at increasing clouds Saturday, a sunny start to the weekend, but it does look warmer too, with temperatures climbing into the 60s on Sunday. This evening, mostly clear, temperatures in the 50s. Again, we're tracking some warmer weather as we head into the weekend. A look at that forecast is coming up. Kristen, back to you.
The Republican incumbent candidate for
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Happy Friday. We're looking forward to a warmer weekend for a change. Temperatures are going to climb into the 50s tomorrow and into the 60s on Sunday. Let's take a live look outside. A beautiful evening here in central New York. This live look at our Cav V tower cam. We'll hold on to sunshine here over the next couple of hours, or about the next hour and a half or so. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It is dry. It stays dry tonight. With clear skies in place, it should be decent viewing for the meteor shower. It continues tonight. It's not going to be quite as active as it was last night, but visibility will be much, much better. We're looking at clear skies tonight. Look to the northeast after sunset for a couple of shooting stars. Weekend forecast mid-50s on Saturday into the 60s Sunday. Things have changed Sunday. We're tracking a stalled frontal boundary. This is a look at temperatures across the area. It's not a straightforward forecast. It'll be in the 70s to the west, in the 60s in the Mohawk Valley, and then north and east of Utica, temperatures likely stuck in the 50s. And again, we're going to see a big variety of temperatures here on Sunday. But bottom line is, it will be a lot warmer than the past several Sundays. We've had 3 Sundays in a row where we've had it snow, and it's not going to happen this time. Barneveld, 55 degrees. Norway, 56. Gray, 53. Curtis Corners, 52. Across Southern Valleys, Edmonston, 52. And Markham Milford checking in with 49 degrees. So you look at the radar and satellite image. We are tracking a warm front approaching from the west. Clouds, some scattered showers with this. More of a steadier rain toward Chicago, but as this heads east, it will weaken. Here's a look at our Storm Tracker 2 skycast. We're dry tonight, clear skies. We're down into the 30s. Some patchy frost is expected by tomorrow morning. Saturday morning, 7 a.m., sunshine, at least early in the day. Clouds will spill in from the northwest. Overcast skies expected in the afternoon and evening. Even a few light rain showers are expected later in the day, so plan accordingly. Some scattered showers possible Saturday night, and then Sunday, again, that stalled front is expected in the area. We start out with temperatures in the 40s and we climb into the 60s in the Mohawk Valley. Look to the west. Syracuse likely getting to 80. So if you really want to get a little taste of summer, you may have to take a short drive to the west here as we head into Sunday afternoon. Temperatures will cool off as we head into Sunday night, back into the 70s on Monday. Clear tonight, down to 32. Tomorrow, starting out with sunshine, finishing with clouds and showers. Temperatures in the mid-50s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Temperatures in the 60s Sunday. We're looking dry. Some light rain showers late Monday, 72. So the warm air does get here. Tuesday, light rain, 59. It cools off. And yes, even some snow showers are in the forecast as we look ahead to Wednesday. Temperatures in the mid-40s. Back to 50 by Friday. We'll be right back.
Let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Looking forward to a weekend.
Yeah, a warmer weekend, and a weekend that doesn't have snow in it. The last 3 weekends did. Live look at our Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking quiet across the region. We have clear skies and light winds. Current temperatures 44 degrees. Will continue to fall into the 30s as we head into tonight. If you're looking to get some cleaning done from the storm earlier this week, or if you're just looking to get out, rake the yard, get a head start on spring here, temperatures will be quite warm, and we're looking at generally dry weather. So tomorrow will be a good day to do some cleanup, especially early. Sunday is the better of the 2 weekend days, completely dry. And then Monday we have some light rain showers later in the day. Increasing clouds for Saturday. It looks warmer as we head into Sunday. Tonight, clear skies, some patchy frost. We're down into the low 30s. We're tracking some warm weather this weekend. A look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. The CDC is recommending
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. This is a live look outside. Our CAV tower cam is looking at clear skies. Nice view of the city of Utica. We are looking at dry conditions across the board on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Clear skies tonight, which means viewing is going to be much better tonight of the Lyrid meteor shower. It takes place tonight. It takes place really for the rest of the week. Conditions were best last night, but they're still pretty decent tonight. You can look to the northeast for a couple of shooting stars. This is not the most active meteor shower of the year, but we can still see about 10 to 20 meteors per hour in comparison to one of the more active ones like the Geminids. That's usually about 60 meteors per hour. So it's less active, but it's still worth looking. Look to the northeast tonight and pack some patience because, again, you will, with enough patience, be able to see a few shooting stars. Weekend forecast looking at sunshine early Saturday, followed by clouds, temperatures in the mid-50s. Sunday is a challenging weather day. I think we're going to get into the 60s for most of central New York, but there looks to be a stark contrast in temperature between areas north and east of Utica in the 50s Sunday afternoon, in the 60s in the Mohawk Valley, and then into the 70s, perhaps even close to 80 degrees as you head west. There's a slow-moving front that's going to stall to our west, and we're going to be right in the middle of this battle zone. So it will be a lot warmer than the last couple of weekends, but again, we're going to be keeping an eye on that challenging weather forecast with the temperatures. So look at the bigger picture. This is all being caused by a warm front approaching from the west. You can see some rain in Michigan with that. This is heading east. This will be our weather as we head into tomorrow. So we'll start out tomorrow with clear skies, a little bit of patchy frost early in the day, sunshine to start Saturday, but the clouds quickly arrive as we head into the afternoon. Overcast conditions around 1 o'clock, and even a few light rain showers later in the day with temperatures in the low to mid-50s. Tomorrow night, the weather looks unsettled with a few passing showers. And then Sunday, again, with that front stalling right over the area, again, you can see temperatures going from 70s to 60s to 50s from left to right here. In fact, look at Syracuse, close to 80. As we head into Monday, eventually that warm weather will push across the entire portion of central New York. We will be warmest on Monday afternoon with temperatures in the 70s. Clear skies tonight, we're down to 32. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies, a passing shower, especially later in the day, high of 56. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Sunday, again, temperatures in the 60s. We're looking at some light rain late Monday, 72. The weather does turn a lot colder as we head into next week with the chance of rain and snow showers on Wednesday. We're not expecting anything that we saw earlier this week to happen on Wednesday, but it is still looking to be a cold day. We're back to 50 as we look ahead to next Friday. We'll be right back.
Tonight, let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis, getting us set for the weekend.
Yes, and it is going to be a much warmer weekend here in central New York, especially compared to the past three. We've had 3 weekends where we've had snow. This weekend, we will not. Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking quiet across the region. Our current temperature is 42 degrees. It's pretty chilly outside. We'll drop down into the low 30s overnight. The weather looks nice. Dry conditions for the most part. We'll have some late day showers tomorrow as well as Monday. If you're looking to clean the yard, if you're still needing to clean up storm damage from what happened earlier in the week, or if you're just getting ready, if you're just getting things ready for spring, Sunday looks to be the best day to be outdoors. It also looks to be the warmer of the 2 weekend days. Patchy frost tonight, increasing clouds Saturday. Again, warmer conditions heading into Sunday. Clear tonight down to 32 degrees. We're tracking that warm weekend. It does get a lot colder next week. We'll take a look at what's ahead, and that's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. The CDC is recommending
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening and welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. This is our CAV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. The city lights shining brightly tonight with clear skies in place and dry conditions on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We do have a meteor shower. It's been taking place for the past week and a half. It peaked last night. Decent viewing conditions tonight. You're going to want to look to the northeast, and this is not a very active meteor shower. It's about less than half as active as some of the more popular ones, but still 10 to 20 meters per hour seems to be the going average over the next couple of days. And again, conditions look to be pretty decent tonight to see that. Weekend forecast, sunshine early Saturday followed by clouds, a few showers in the afternoon and evening. Temperatures will be in the mid-50s. On Sunday, it is looking warm for parts of the area. We're expecting a large spread in temperature as we head into Sunday afternoon as a stalled warm front gets stuck to our west. We're looking at temperatures near 70 in Madison, Chenango, and southern Otsego County. In the Mohawk Valley, we're in the 60s. In the Adirondacks areas north and east of Utica, in the 50s. So big spread in temperature across the board here for Sunday. The good news is that this is going to be a snow-free Sunday. It'll be the first time in almost a month since that's happened. So you look at the radar and satellite image, a warm front is approaching from the west. You can see some clouds starting to build into western New York. That'll be approaching the area as we head into tonight. I think the clouds hold off until tomorrow morning. So again, that first round goes to the south. Another round will be building in as we get into the afternoon. So we start out with sunshine and then clouds build in throughout the day. Temperatures will be in the 50s. Notice a few showers showing up in the afternoon and early evening. Again, that's part of the warm front. The front stalls to the west, so we'll see more clouds and showers here overnight Saturday into early Sunday. And again, that big spread in temperature. Notice Syracuse could get up to 80 degrees, but then you've got Speculator at 55. Heading into Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening, the weather does look dry, and we will be tracking warmer weather on Monday. Eventually, that front's going to move to the north and the east, and it's going to allow for Monday to be the warmest day of the week. Clear skies tonight down to 32. Tomorrow, sunshine early, clouds, showers in the afternoon, a high of 56. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. 72 on Monday with some late day showers. Rain Tuesday, rain and snow showers Wednesday, 43. It's chilly as we head into the middle of the week. Temperatures back to 50 by Friday. We'll be right back.